We're gonna go fishing!
My name is Jack Harper. I'm from Garden Hill. I'm the cultural exploration teacher at the high school. It's an outdoor event, activities that I do. When you see four walls in the classroom, you don't see anything out there. So this is a good place to get them to do a hands-on learning.
I like being outside. I just like watching them fish. But I never really went to fishing.
Okay, who's checked the net? Okay, you gotta take it out.
Yeah!
Grab the eye.
I don't want to grab the eye.
Yeah, grab the eye.
I'm scared.
I want them to carry on. Like me, I was taught to do things like this from my father, my late father. So I have to continue on. These are the things that I want them to continue on. And I know they'll remember it.
What if it bites me?
If you put your hand in your mouth, they'll bite you.
Oh, you! Oh. Gross. Grabbing the fish out of the net. He's so slimy. That claw thingy.
Over there at the back. See that back?
It's just sharp thing. You go like that.
They go home and I learned this over there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna tell their parents. Almost there. Like I like to continue on with what I was taught. Imagine fish with
I felt like the fish is gonna bite me.
What about for you, Jared? What did you think that was like to get the fish out of the net?
It was,
Was it heavy?
yeah,
Yeah.
really heavy.
Have you done that before?
No.
And then you kiss the fish. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. A good luck. Just kidding.
This thing made of bannock. It's called a fish bannock.
Caviar.
Caviar hotel.
Fish eggs.
What's the word for fish in your language?
Gnose. Gnose. Gnose.
Jose.
That's how you take the bone out. Sometimes older people boil this. Boil that head to eat it. Not me yet. And then fried. I need it.
You have to know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing. By doing it, not watching it. You have to do it yourself.